Are you too shy to use voice chat in-game or getting kicked the moment you speak?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Yo, what's up? I just
Hey,
come
let's
here
go.
to learn some Russians.
Yeah.
Alright. How we learn in Russian?
I learned something called bled, that's all.
Suka blyat.
Okay, that hits me, I guess. Introducing Gura Sound Pack Volume 1. All you need is just to download a soundboard to make it work. After that, you have to bind a key to all the sound. Once you press the button you bind, it will do this.
I'm offended. Hello. 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 Hi. Hi.
Now, let us witness the born of a new god, the born of a new religion.
Hey, cat, if you know speaky speak,
That's a
you
mic.
leave, leave.
That's a mic if I've ever heard one.
Cat,
Hi.
Ah!
what are you? Say
That was a
something.
soundboard. You can't lie to me. Oh, scared you.
Pretty crazy, right? I know. You think I jinxed it? Probably not.
Okay, so
What?
you're a
Wait, talk
middle-aged,
again? Whoa,
overweight
whoa, whoa.
man. How do we
I'm
piece this
offended.
together?
Whoa. Talk again. Talk again. What was that?
Press X to doubt.
Definitely not a voice changer. Definitely not.
If that's not a voice changer, I'm gonna shoot hot cum in my pants.
And now, everyone will start to talk to you, and eventually, you will
Oh, I see it.
I hate this game.
You can also combine it with voice attack if you cannot remember all the keybinds. Hello,
Hello.
we're gonna go this way.
We're gonna go this way, guys. We're gonna go this way, guys.
I hate this game.
I hate this game.
This is technology. This is science. And we are not stalker. We are believer.
Okay, he's rapid fire. He's rapid fire. He's rapid fire. We're gonna go this way, guys. We're gonna go this way, guys. Boom, baby.